Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video we are going to be discussing one of the hottest social media platforms out there, that's TikTok. So with over 2 billion downloads worldwide and rapidly growing user base, TikTok has become a powerful platform for creators to not only share their content but also to make money. So in this video we'll be showing you the top ways to monetize your TikTok account.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
So one of the most popular ways to make money on TikTok is through sponsored posts. So this is when a brand pays you to create a video or series of videos promoting their product or a service. Now, for you to get started with this, you need to have a sizable following and a strong engagement rate. The number of followers we are talking about here is between 10K, and upwards, and even 100K. So the more you have, the better. Now, for this to work, you can also reach out to brands directly or work with a talent agency that specializes in TikTok influencer marketing. Another way to make money on TikTok is to start a Patreon. So Patreon is actually a crowdfunding platform. You offer free content through your TikTok account, but entice your followers to support you on Patreon to unlock premium content. What's this premium content? So these can be behind the scenes pics, exclusive content, swag, personal time with you, live chats and hangouts, community access, public shoutouts. You have to get creative. So when you build a loyal following, they'll want everything you can get. However, just ensure you put in the time to make your Patreon content valuable and worthwhile. You don't want anyone to regret their purchase after signing up. Now, another way is to participate in affiliate program. To make money on TikTok, you don't need to own products and services. Instead, you can use affiliate marketing to link out to other goods and make a percentage of every sale when a user clicks through and makes a purchase. So here is how. So the first thing is you have to place an affiliate link in your profile, then direct traffic from your organic views to click the link. So you can tell them click the link in bio. Another way is to redirect traffic to your Facebook, Twitter, or even Instagram account where you can more generously place affiliate links. Another way is to paste coupon codes and URLs in your video descriptions. Here, users will have to copy paste the link into their browser, so you can actually promote affiliate products directly on your videos. Number 4 is to promote songs. So you can get paid to add songs to your videos. So nearly every video on TikTok has an accompanying background song for creators to lip sync and dance to, and artists actually recognize this value. So if you have a large enough following and engagement, musicians will pay you to have you promote their music in your songs. So they know if your video goes viral, their song goes viral as well. And that means more downloads, concert tickets, and of course, merchandise. Now, if you are a musician or aspiring musician, you can use TikTok to promote your own music, of course. So TikTok is a place to sing and dance. It only makes sense to publish your own beats on the platform. Another way is to build and sell TikTok accounts. Now, if you have a knack for building audiences quickly, then you can do this for a living. So there are plenty of creators and businesses who would love a head start on TikTok. So if you can rapidly build TikTok following, you will have a list of potential buyers. Now, think about potential industries that might want to purchase lucrative TikTok accounts. So you might struggle to sell an account focused on card GIFs, or maybe not. However, an unboxing profile or account focused on cars would likely sell much faster. So steer away from making any of these accounts personal. You don't want followers becoming attached to your face or name. Instead, focus your content on the subject material. Now, as you can see, there are many ways to monetize your TikTok account. Yeah. So from sponsored posts to flipping accounts, affiliate marketing to Patreon, there are plenty of opportunities to make money on this platform. Remember, the key to success is to stay consistent, create engaging content, and grow your following. So I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.